Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question what could be the problem or how to fix that problem when you want to try to wake up Windows from sleep but it shows only a black screen. Yesterday I had a discussion with a friend who had this problem and solved it, and he told me that he had been talking to 3 different computer or PC supporters and none of them has been able to solve that, and he solved it just by chance. So I wanted to let you know what he did. I'm not saying that it will solve any of these cases because of course some of these cases can be complicated and can maybe only be solved by updating like graphics card driver or some other drivers. I mean, when you Google for that, you can see a lot of different solutions, just not the solution which he used. So that's the reason why I wanted to make this video. So what did my friend do? Actually, it was a very simple thing. So instead of waking up the Windows computer from the mouse by just clicking on the mouse or clicking on the keyboard, he chose then to start it from the hardware button. I mean the button which you usually use to start the computer or to shut it down. But of course you can also use it to wake it up from the sleep when it's in a sleep state, something like that. Yeah, I couldn't find any better picture, but I guess you know what it is, something like that, or one of these buttons usually have something like that depending on what computer it is. But I guess you get the point here. Of course, this doesn't solve the root cause. You still have to investigate what the real problem is, but this could be a nice workaround. At least it worked for him, and I hope it will work for you too if you're in the same situation. So that's it for now. If you have any questions or comments or better solutions, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.